Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I got a comment on YouTube saying that somebody had trouble joining the Patreon, and they said to make a video. So this one's for you, bro. I forgot your name. I think it was like forgot your name, bro. But it's on. This video's for you. I don't know how else to. I don't know how else to make this like easy, but I www dot is it Patreon? Patreon.com// but I'm not a trader. And then go. And that's basically it. So you can join for free for what is it called? For public posts. Mine are I never post anything public, and all the posts that I have on my Patreon are basically all private posts, right? So you have to choose membership, and it's basically one of these, right? You either join like they both give you the same access. The second one is just I usually put the second one is gonna usually goes all to like my daughter's portfolio, and it's if you want to like just become like a I don't know, like a higher level member and stuff. But this is basically it. I don't really know how else to help you guys out to join the the Patreon. It's basically the same thing. You can choose the top or the bottom. Doesn't really matter, honestly. And it says you can pay annually. I put it so you guys can save like 10% if you guys just do the full membership directly, right? And then once you guys are here, once you guys log in, right? Go to the pinned comments, right? I'm not gonna show it here, but go to the pinned comments, right? Go to the YouTube playlist and go to the How to Trade playlist for YouTube. That's all gonna be removed. I'm telling you guys right now, right? That's all gonna be removed eventually, and after the migration happens. And then also go to the Telegram, join the Telegram, because that also has all of the trading stuff right there, right? And on Patreon, some of the videos that I have here are like older, from like a year or two. It doesn't mean that they don't work, bro. Those are all the strategies that I have. Just do your research, bro. Go to the Patreon, go to the pinned comments, go to the videos, study them, right? And then after you study and after you learn everything, join the Telegram and do all that stuff that you gotta do. Like very simple, bro. I don't know how else to I don't know how else to help you guys out. You know what I mean? Like, that's just it. You join the Patreon, because this is the only place that I have, where I can post like my stuff. But after I like release my website, it's not gonna be this anymore. It's gonna be something completely different. So this is the best I can do to kind of help you guys out to join before like I move everything else and completely delete everything from YouTube. So I'll see you guys later. Hope this video helps. Have a great day. Bye bye.